Hello, my friends. Do you like birds? Do you like bricks? Do you like chilling out? This is a little Make It Blocks birds set I got at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Not much going on in there. I've already done one of these before. This is 28 pieces. Nothing in it really differentiating it from the other bird sets. Has no official name or anything, but let's just dig on in, because this is going to be looks to be a pretty measly parts pack, but maybe we'll have some fun with it. If anything, maybe some cool pieces inside. Yeah, I'm not really seeing any standout pieces in here, unfortunately. This is pretty cool though, I like that. And I like this little black horn piece. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything that's really standing out to me, so that's a little bit disappointing. And I wish these instructions were a little bit flatter. This is cool though, I do like this brown gun piece. So that's pretty cool. Nice little branch there. So now we're gonna start working on the bird. The bird. that's fun. On to the next side here. Flipping this over this way, and there we go. Okay. I see. Oh, I hate that. See that? A lot of these knockoff guys, especially this brand, they always do that. It's got that printed bit on there. That's so lame. Oh, I hate that. But you know, that's nothing a little bit of a nail remover, nail polish remover, or some hard rubbing alcohol won't take off. So that's not really too big of a deal, I suppose. It's just a little, how you say, a little unfortunate. Yeah, that's a little bit of a bummer, but not on the other one at least. They always have one part in these sets, and that's this brand in particular, the Make It blocks. I always find they do that. It's a little frustrating. But you know, it is what it is. Lost the damn thing. Alright, here we go. Now, depending on the angle of the eyes, this thing can look adorable or it can look ferocious. You gotta make sure they're pointing the right way. For maximum cuteness. Gotta watch it there. Probably should have put this piece on first. Very cute. It'll be extra cute if I can actually get it to clip on. There we go. Okay. There we go. That's the finished product right there. Very cute. Very adorable. And from the previous set, I have this guy right here. If you happen to watch that build too, I did that a month or so ago, and that guy was a lot of fun. I picked all three of these guys up at the same time because I got one more that I'm going to be doing a little bit later, which is going to be this fella here. But got these two done, and they're pretty cute. And hold on one second. Boom. Okay, check it out. They're all finished and they're all set up here, and how cute are they? Also, I realized when I picked him up that I'd forgotten to attach his tail, so I put his tail back on. But don't they look good together? I definitely like this one the best. It looks really cool, but it also has fantastic parts within it that make me very hesitant to want to take it apart because I like it, but I definitely want to use many of the parts inside of it for some other builds. This one right here, not as impressive with the parts, but the finished product's really cute too. Definitely like this one more. This is by far the best out of the birds. I can just tell looking at the packages and seeing the parts that are just in the various ones, because that's that third one. But this one was really cute and I like it a lot, and I'm hesitant to take it apart now just because there wasn't anything in it that was really valuable that I can think to use in other stuff, and it looks real cute. So I think I might just end up building this third one here and keeping the little birds on a small display in a shelf, because got a nice little lamp that these look cute under. So thinking about doing that, but I do really want to take him apart and use up some of those things for some fantasy mock stuff. But we'll see. Thank you for joining me, and we'll talk to you later.